Hi, I'm Tyler Elliott with Elliott Remodeling, and in this segment we're going to show you how to fix a jammed garbage disposal. A lot of the times when using a garbage disposal, a piece of food or waste product will get jammed underneath one of the spinning blades, and this can and most likely will jam your garbage disposal, and all you'll get is a buzzing sound. The first thing you should do is to turn off the power. If you can't seem to locate whatever it is that's jamming the disposal, the second and last step is to find an Allen wrench or a plumber's key, which is an S-shaped Allen wrench, and underneath of all garbage disposal there's a socket for these so that you can manually spin the blades and eject whatever's stopping the blades. Usually going clockwise will eject whatever's inside of your blades. I'm Tyler Elliott with Elliott Remodeling, and that's how you fix a jammed garbage disposal.